How to add a payment method on GoDaddy. So basically, if you want to add a payment method on GoDaddy, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to open up your browser and go to godaddy.com and make sure you log into your account. Once you log into your account, click on your username from the top right hand side of the screen. And over there, you'll find this option that says renewals and billing, right? So just go to this renewal and billing option right there. And once you've gone to renewal and billings option, you'll be able to see this type of information right here. Now here you can go to this option called payment method and you can read here it says me that your first payment method will be added upon purchasing your first product. So you cannot manually add a payment method later on. Your payment method will be added automatically whenever you're purchasing their product, like maybe the domain or whatever other services they offer. Either way, this is the way you should be able to add your payment method on GoDaddy. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.